When it comes to building complex systems like a hospital management platform, the biggest challenge isn't always coding, it's communication. How do you make sure every stakeholder, from doctors to developers, understands exactly what the system needs to do? That's where use case diagrams come in. They're not just boxes and circles, they're the blueprint for user interaction. And in healthcare, clarity isn't optional, it's critical. In this video, we'll walk through how to build a use case diagram for a hospital management system using EdrawMax. Whether you're a system architect, a developer, or an analyst, this is a must-have tool in your UML toolkit. So what exactly is a use case diagram? In Unified Modeling Language, UML, a use case diagram visually maps out the interactions between users, called actors, and the system itself. It's especially useful in early-stage planning, helping teams identify system functionality from the user's point of view. Think of it as a high-level user journey that sets the stage for more detailed technical documentation. Now, let's dive into the EdrawMax workflow and create one from scratch. Start by opening New Blank Drawing in EdrawMax. This gives you a fresh canvas to work with, simple, uncluttered, and ready for design. First, bring in the foundational elements, the system boundary box, which defines the scope of your system. Actor symbols placed outside the box, these could include roles like patient, doctor, receptionist, or pharmacist. And inside the boundary, start placing your use case ovals. These represent the functions the system must perform, such as book appointment, discharge patient, update medical records, or generate reports. Once the elements are on the canvas, it's time to style. EdrawMax offers easy drag-and-drop formatting. You can change the colors of your actors and use cases to group them visually. Maybe all patient-related functions are green and all doctor-related ones are blue. Consistent styling not only looks great, but also improves readability during presentations or meetings. Next up, labeling. This is where your use case diagram becomes functional. Label each actor clearly and make sure your use case titles are action-oriented and specific. For instance, book appointment is much clearer than just appointment. Now, use association lines to connect actors to the relevant use cases. These solid lines show direct interactions, but we're not stopping there. To show internal logic between use cases, EdrawMax allows you to add include or extend relationships. For example, patient discharge might include generate invoice, making your diagram more intelligent and connected. Once your diagram is complete and polished, go to File, Export, and choose PNG or any other format you prefer. You now have a clean, professional use case diagram ready for documentation, stakeholder review, or your next team presentation. In the end, it's not just about drawing a diagram, it's about bringing clarity to your system's structure. That's what makes use case diagrams so valuable, especially in fields like healthcare where every interaction counts. And with EdrawMax, that entire process, from idea to export, takes just minutes. Visible thinking, efficient expression. Start mapping smarter workflows today with EdrawMax.